Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Klaviyo for dropshipping campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Klaviyo for your dropshipping campaigns, start by logging into your Klaviyo account. Navigate to the Integrations tab located on the left sidebar. Search for the platform you are using for dropshipping, like Shopify or WooCommerce. Click on the appropriate integration and follow the prompts to connect your store. Once connected, confirm that your product data has been imported correctly. Click on the Create List button and name it something relevant, like Dropshipping Customers. Import your existing customer list if applicable by choosing the Import option. Navigate to the Email Templates section and click on Create Template. Choose a pre-built template or start from scratch to design your welcome. Make sure to include essential information about your brand and your dropshipping process. Once your template is ready, save it and proceed to create a new flow. In the Flows section, click Create Flow. Select the Welcome Series Flow option as a starting point. Add the welcome email you just made to this flow. Next, brainstorm additional emails to include in your dropshipping campaign. Consider promotional offers, product recommendations, and educational content about dropshipping. Create new email templates for each of these campaign messages. Ensure each email maintains your brand's voice and style for consistency. Once your emails are created, add them to the flow in a logical sequence. Use Klaviyo's segmentation tools to target specific groups within your audience. This can help you send tailored messages based on customer behavior. Analyze your previous campaigns to see what types of content perform best. Incorporate these insights into your dropshipping email strategy. Set up tracking for email opens, clicks, and conversions to measure effectiveness. Regularly review your campaign performance through Klaviyo's analytics dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the data to improve future campaigns. Always keep your engagement high by refreshing your content and layout. Finally, consider running A/B tests on subject lines and email designs for continuous improvement. By following these steps, you'll successfully configure Klaviyo for your dropshipping campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.